Now, the Meghalaya Chief Minister has also strongly condemned the racial abuse and killing of Angel Chakma from Tripura in Dehradun, calling it heartbreaking and unacceptable, saying racial violence must not be tolerated, stressing that people from the northeast are as Indian as any other citizen, demanding strict action and punishment against those who are responsible. My colleague Anamika is joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Anamika, the shocking incident has resonated across the northeast because we are seeing reactions coming in as well, and it's very heartbreaking to see even the Chief Minister of Meghalaya going on to say that people of northeast are as Indian as any, and these racial attacks must stop completely.
This is a very sad story which happened, and even as we have seen that CM of Meghalaya, Conrad Sangma, have already tweeted, and he have clearly mentioned that this is a heartbreaking and unacceptable situation which happened, and racial violence must not be tolerated. And every time why the people of Northeast have to prove that they are the citizen of Northeast. And additionally, I would like to mention that the CM of Manipur, the former CM of Manipur, he have also tweeted that that this particular incident which have happened, this young student of Tripura have faced this racial violence and discrimination and hatred against these people. But at the same time, the painful incident must also remind those outside the Northeast to know that the Northeast is not a distant corner of India, it is in India. And even let me tell you, whole incident have make the people of India thought that this particular incident which has happened, that as Angel Chakma's family mourns and irreversible loss, the larger question remains unanswered. Will justice be swift, or will this become another forgettable name in the long list of victims of racial violence?
Okay, all right. Anamika, thank you for joining us with those details.